So now that we've learned how to sit, the next tip I'm going to give you is how to go from seating to standing. And that can be, for a lot of people, particularly those new to yoga, one of the most challenging moves to make. And I'm going to ask Jerry Ann to take those blocks that have been supporting her knees and now bring them over to one side of her mat. And then bring her knees together and slip slide off of that bolster up onto her knees and the blocks. And then she's going to use the blocks to walk herself around to the front of the mat. And here at the front of her mat, with her wrists right underneath her shoulders on top of those blocks, she's going to take one foot, it doesn't matter which one at this point, and bring it right between the blocks. The leg that's left behind, she'll tuck the toes under of that foot and lengthen that leg. She'll inhale, looking forward, and as she exhales, she brings that foot forward, both feet together, and then lets herself float on an inhale all the way up to stand. Now, as she is standing and her blocks are still there, we're going to do the opposite. We're going to have Jerry Ann come back down, standing up and coming down. She places her hands on the blocks, brings one leg back behind her, gently takes that knee to the floor, inhales and looks forward, and then as she exhales, she brings both knees together. And here she is now. She can put the blocks off to the side, and she's on her hands and knees.